I recently told my audience to ask me anything, and one of the most popular requests was for me to teach people how to freestyle. So in this video, I'm gonna do just that, but I'm gonna do something even a little bit better. We are about to do a freestyle practice drill. Now, if you enjoy this type of video, make sure you let me know in the comments, and if enough people seem to be interested, I'll keep making more videos like this one. And if you're new here, my name is ColeMize, and I've been helping rappers perfect their rap skills on this channel for the past 11 years. So here's the core mechanics on how to create a really good sounding freestyle. Step number one is you need to establish your rhythm to the instrumental that you're going to be freestyling over. This means that you're able to correctly identify the 4 beats of each bar. And if you're unable to do this, you won't be able to rap on beat or structure your rhymes in a musically pleasing way. And if you don't know how to establish your rhythm correctly, make sure that you check out my video tutorial called The Ultimate Guide to Learning How to Rap Within 15 Minutes, link in the video's description. And for your next step, you need to memorize lists of words that rhyme. When you're freestyling, you only have a split second to think about what you're going to say. So memorizing rhyme lists will allow you more time to focus on what you're trying to say. And a practical way to begin doing this is just by using a rhyming dictionary such as Rhyme Wave or Rhyme Zone, and think of a word you would likely use in a freestyle and then write down all the usable words that rhyme with that word. And keep memorizing lists of rhymes and practice implementing them in your freestyles. Next, you need to be able to create good sounding rhyme schemes out of your rhymes. Now, a rhyme scheme occurs when 2 words that rhyme with each other are placed in relatively the same location for at least 2 bars. And in order to do this effectively, you will need to lean on step 1, which is establishing rhythm, because we typically structure our main rhyme schemes around beats. And the most common rhyme schemes that rappers use are called end rhymes. And these rhymes are usually placed on or in close proximity with the 4th beat of each bar. So in summary, you need to, by ear, be able to place rhymes in specific locations from bar to bar to create a strong rhyme scheme pattern. And if you want to learn more advanced rhyming techniques, make sure that you check out my series called The Science Behind Rhyming, link in the description. And for the final step, you need to be able to fill in the rest of the bars with words that actually make sense in context with the word that you're using to rhyme with. And this is where your scatting skills come into play. Scatting is a musical improvisational tool that allows you to recall many different musical patterns that we call cadences, and then being able to change any one of those cadences in a variety of different ways. And this skill is what allows your rap flow to sound more fluid and less restrictive, rigid, and predictable. As you're freestyling, you don't know everything that you're going to say beforehand. So being able to improvise musical patterns on the spot will allow you to take whatever words you're thinking about on the spot and make them fit within the instrumental in a musically pleasing way. Now, freestyling is typically more focused on the lyrical side with the rhymes and the wordplay and things of that nature, but it's very important to have a decent sounding rap flow so it sounds musically pleasing to the ear. And if you wish to improve upon your scatting skills and your rap flow, make sure you check out my free rap course called 5 Minutes to a Better Rap Flow and my series called Rap Flow Drills. Links to both of these in the description. So let's do a quick summary of the mechanics of freestyling and then we'll move on to the practice. Step 1 is you need to establish your rhythm to the instrumental by moving your body to the beats. Step 2, you need to think of a word that's a part of one of your rhyme lists that you've memorized. Step 3, then you think of a phrase that would make sense with the word that you're going to rhyme with. Step 4, then you fit your words to the instrumental and place your end rhyme on or around the 4th beat. And step 5, now think of the next word you're going to use to complete your end rhyme scheme for your next bar, and then continue to repeat steps 3 through 5 moving forward. Okay, now it's time to put your freestyle skills to the test with a freestyle practice drill. And here's how it works. I'm going to provide you with the words to use for your end rhymes. And for this exercise, each rhyme will be placed on the 4th beat of each bar. And you'll hear a notification sound every time a new rhyme has been added. So your main challenge for this freestyle drill is you have to take the end rhymes that I'm giving you and think of words that will make sense with those end rhymes and make it fit the instrumental in a musically pleasing way. And we're going to take turns rapping for 1 bar each. And the instrumental that I'm using today is a beat that I produced called Spaced Out. And if you like it, you can purchase it via the link in the video's description below. Now to get started, I'm going to rap the first bar and then you'll rap the bar after me, and we'll keep going back and forth until our exercise is done. Let's get it! I'm about to freestyle, so yeah, now here we go. I'm about to tear this track up in case you didn't know. I heard some rappers been talking some trash behind my back. just mad because I possess the skills they lack. But when I start spitting, I shock them like Raiden. Watch me power up as I go Super Saiyan. My rhymes fresher than some newly washed linen. Don't give up yet, we just started now, listen. Now there is something I really need to express. My shady cousin convinced me to invest. But that thing gon' bounce like it got some springs on it. Spent all of my cash on wheels, now my car got some D's on it. That thing looking so sick, I wanna sneeze on it. Just minding my P's and Q's, so I threw some G's on it. Now I'm hot, they bragging about how they always knew me. They acting brand new now, just like they some groupies. Now they tryna get my money and they tryna sue me. Because I wrote a bad check to fund they stupid movie. Now before you go, let me know how you did in the comment section below. And if you're serious about improving your rap skills, I've got something for you that you're gonna absolutely love and is 100% free. It's called the Rap Essentials Bundle, which includes the #1 fundamental to rapping ebook, bar sheets to map out your flows, 6 practice instrumentals, the CMS gear catalog, 3 free rap courses, plus I'll personally send you my most essential rap tutorials covering all the core techniques that you need to level up your rap skills fast. And it's all yours for free when you join my mailing list. Just hit the link in the video description below. Once again, my name is ColeMize with ColeMizeStudios.com, and always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it.